A couple of times a year, usually around April and October, it's a good idea to lubricate parts of the car that are regularly used. I tend to use a spray like WD-40, but oil, lithium grease and other lubricants can be used. Locate the hinges on the doors, bonnet and boot and spray around the moving parts. It's a good idea to work the lubricant in. Very often this can be done by moving the item back and forth. There are other less obvious areas that we can lubricate to ensure proper functionality and prolonged duration, such as the door handles, locking mechanisms and the locks themselves. However, it's a good idea to have a clean rag in order to wipe away any overspray or drips. You can also lubricate other things such as your pedals. Just make sure you place your rag over the carpet to prevent lubricant staining. I have found on 2 occasions that this can have the unwanted effect of turning off cruise control when driving over uneven surfaces such as changes in surfacing on motorways. The lubrication causes the brake pedal to move slightly in such situations, tricking the car into thinking you're pressing the brake. However, it has returned to normal on both occasions very quickly. It's also a good idea to lubricate the channels where your windows run. By doing this, we allow the window to travel through these with less resistance, which will put less strain on your window motor and therefore prolong its life. If you have a sunroof, it will be a good idea to do the same with this. I also tend to lubricate the throttle cable under the bonnet, just for good measure also. Underneath the car, components of your suspension, steering and brakes have bushings and boots. These are rubber covers that keep dirt and debris out of moving parts. If these crack, they will release any lubricant such as grease that they contain, thus allowing water to enter and corrode metal components. Once this happens, they will need replacing and may even require a whole new replacement part such as a ball joint or control arm. By using a rubber treatment, we can spray these to protect and replenish the material, thus prolonging their life. I'm using Autoglim's vinyl and rubber care. By doing this, it also enables us to keep an eye on any wear, allowing us to monitor and replace before expensive parts are damaged and need replacing. I found filming some of these quite difficult due to low light and having limited space, but by looking through a workshop manual, you should be able to see just how many there are on your car. Let me know your maintenance tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, share, subscribe and watch my other videos.